Hi, my name is Julia and I work with locumjobsonline.com to help place locum tenens physicians in contract positions all over the country. Today, I want to talk about a really important subject, the lack of healthcare in rural America. I'm going to cover what you can do to help and what's in it for you. Let's start with the facts. Did you know that nearly 80% of rural America is medically underserved according to recent stats released by the federal government? This is actually why the concept of locum tenens doctors was created nearly 40 years ago. Here's how you can help underserved communities. For starters, you can help this shortage by taking on temporary contracts in small towns, tribal lands, and even government facilities. Also keep in mind that you don't need to be a physician to help with the lack of healthcare in rural areas. Nurse practitioners and physician assistants can help fill locum positions too. This takes some of the burden off doctors. You taking a locum tenens assignment in rural areas not only benefits the people there, but it also benefits you. Here are 5 pros to working in rural America. First, you can build closer connections with the patients you care for. Because you'll likely have fewer patients, this gives you the unique opportunity to better get to know those who come into your office. Secondly, you'll have more opportunities to learn new things. Since there are fewer doctors in rural areas, you will see and treat patients for a variety of different reasons. Third, your paycheck will go further. The cost of living is often much lower in rural areas. This means you will pay less money for housing, food, and fun, allowing you to have more money than if you were living in an expensive city. Fourth, think about the impact you'll have. You don't need to be in a big city to make a big impact. Those living in rural areas often have to drive an hour or more to go to the doctor. Having someone local is huge for them. You will make an impact on their lives by making doctor visits more convenient. Fifth, you will experience a different way of life. If you didn't grow up in rural America, take advantage of this opportunity to see and serve a different community than your own. Rural areas need people like you to serve them. Be a part of creating a healthier America by taking a travel position in a rural area. Do you need to learn how to get started as a locum tenens physician? Subscribe to this channel and check out our other videos.